Everyone. So today we are going to complete with the tenses portion. Starting with it once again, I'm going to explain you with the simple past tense. Now, what are tenses? You all know tenses are used for describing the duration when an action is done, whether it was in present, in past, or in future. Now, past tense also has four tenses into it. Okay, four different tenses which describe the action was taken, the action was done in the past, but then also it has some different time durations. Now, what is simple past tense? Simple past tense is also known as past simple and describes events which happened at a specific time but are now completed. Okay. For example, I baked, we baked, you baked, singular, you baked, plural, he, she, it baked, they baked. Now, in simple past tense, it is said that the action completed in the past, but we don't have any other further information about it. Okay, the action completed, but nothing more is done about it. Okay, that is the simple past tense. When you describe events which happened which happened in the past at a specific time, but now it does not have any relation to the present. Now they are completed. Okay, now coming to past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is also known as past progressive and describes events which happened in the past over a period of time. Now, what do you mean by over a period of time? I was baking, we were baking, you were baking plural, he, she, it was baking, they were baking. I was baking when the phone rang. Okay. You were baking when she called up. Okay, so something was happening over a period of time that is called a past continuous tense. Okay. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, doubt, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, Tamil, tell me.
Ma'am, how they are saying you are baking, it comes under singular as well as plural. Can you?
Okay. How it is in singular and plural. If only one person is baking, you will say you were baking. Okay, when she called up. You were baking. When there are two, three people also, in English we use you only. Okay. For example, if three people were baking, then also you will say you were baking when the phone rang. Generally, when you use more than when there are two, three people and you need to point it out and you need to use their name, you say you all were baking. But it's okay if you use you were baking. If you are not using you all were baking, then also it's fine. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
That is the reason you is used for singular also and you is used for plural also. Okay. Okay. Now, past perfect tense. Past perfect describes completed events of the past happened before another action took place. Okay, now here the sentence has not been completed, but I'll let you know that had past perfect tense is used with had and verb's third form, but it has to be denoting that something it happened before the other action took place. Okay, I had baked before my mom came home. Okay, so before my mom came home, I had baked. This action had already taken place in the past tense. Okay, before some other thing happened, some other action occurred. Okay, we had baked the cake before the party started. Right? So the process or the action of baking the cake finished, and after that the party started. Means before the party started, the action of baking was already completed. That action happened before another action took place. When I reached the school, the bell had rung. Before I reached the school, the bell had rung. Means reaching the school was one action, and before that is the recent past. before reaching the school, what one more action had happened in the past, that the bell had already rung. After the ringing of the bell, he reached the school. So the action of the ringing of bell was completed, and then the action of reaching the school happened. Okay. So the thing that happened in the far past will be into past perfect tense. That means it has to carry had and verb's third form. And the action that happened afterwards has to be in verb 2, that is simple past tense. You cannot use had in both the tenses. The action which is happening now or in the recent past has to be in simple past tense, and here it is past, and here this is past perfect. Something happened before this past also. Okay, over here something happened, so this has to be in had plus verb 3, and this past has to be into subject plus verb 2 plus object. Okay, this is the way it happens, right? Both the verbs cannot be in verb 3, means had and verb 3. One has to be in verb 2. The action which is done afterwards has to be in verb 2. And the action that was done before that, past of the past, then it should be verb 3. Right? And the last one is past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous is also known as past perfect progressive and describes actions that were in progress before some other actions and continued until that time. Something that started in the past and continued for a period of time in the past only. Okay. For example, I had been baking for 2 hours. Okay. In the past, maybe I'm talking about this today. And yesterday, what happened? I started baking at 9 a.m. and I had been baking for 2 hours, means till 11 a.m. in the past. This action started in the past, okay, at 9 a.m. and in past only it finished at 11 a.m. yesterday, but it went for how many hours? 2 hours. In the past, it went on for 2 hours. Okay, so that is a past perfect continuous. Something starting at some point of time, going till one point of time in the past, and this action was because it was running, it was completed also, and it was going on also. That is the reason we use past perfect continuous. Perfect is used for the action being completed, and continuous that because the action was also going on at that time. So both the tenses are combined over here. Some action was starting and then it continued for that period of time. So that is the reason we use I had been waiting for 2 hours. Let's take some another example. I had been studying in the past. He had been studying since morning, and the action went until for some duration of time in the past. It got over, but it started in the morning. Okay, I had been studying since morning. You are telling this today to me that yesterday I had been studying since morning, and then you might have studied for maybe till evening. Okay, so some period of time the action went on yesterday, but yesterday it got finished. It has no connection with today, right? Okay, if it had connection with today, then we would have been using present perfect tense. I have been studying since morning, means you are still studying. You have started studying in the morning and you are still studying, then it becomes present perfect tense. But in the past, the action started, the action finished, and you are telling this to me today, right? Okay, that is past perfect.
Mom, like for this sentence, like the action had started yesterday, and
Hmm,
now that person is telling you that that person had started for like since
hmm,
morning until the evening. ऐसा है ना कुछ?
hmm. Yes,
Yeah.
okay. So this is past perfect continuous. Okay. Any doubts?
Little bit confusing, ma'am.
Is it confusing? We will go for one exercise and then I guess it will be easy with you. Okay, I'll just form mixed exercise back. Because I know if I give you one tense, it's okay. You keep on just putting on the verbs and it becomes easy. But when it comes to mixed exercises, you need to understand what is happening, what happened, and what is now happening. Okay, so we will go through the exercise very quickly. Okay, then online exercise, you need to select the correct option. Okay, I was walking down the street yesterday. I passed the supermarket and suddenly I dashed my keys. Okay, Komal, give me the answer.
Forgot my keys.
Read the
Had
sentence.
forgotten.
I had, sure, एक minute. I was walking down the street yesterday. I passed the supermarket and suddenly remembered that I had forgotten my keys.
I had forgotten my keys. Okay. Why? Because one past tense is already used over here. Verb two, right? Two actions are happening in the same time. I passed the supermarket, verb two is there, and suddenly remembered I had forgotten my keys. Okay. While I dashed the film, there was a power cut. Twinkle. Yes, Twinkle.
Was watching.
Was
Watching.
while I was watching the film, there was a power cut. Okay. Tamil, did you know that I dash an airline pilot?
Did you know that I used to be an airline pilot?
Did you know that I used to be an airline pilot? Did you know that I had been an airline pilot? What do you think will suit best?
I had been an air pilot.
I had been an airline pilot. Okay. Yes. The next one, Harshita.
By the time we ran back to the flat to close the window, the bird had escaped.
By the time we ran back, so ran is already verb two over there. So we will be using had escaped over there. That's right. Nikita, next one. Nikita, Arshi,
Ma'am, who was driving the bus at the time of the accident?
okay. Bhavya, you're not audible.
No one had told about.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Next one, Purnima.
I have played a lot of football than I do now.
I used to play a lot more football than I do now. मैं बहुत ज्यादा खेलती थी, अब तो उतना खेलती ही नहीं हूँ.